Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a really cool 1955 Chevy Post. It's a real VC car, so it's a BelAir or a V8, set up like gasser style. I got Mike here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. What are we doing today, Mike?
How you doing, Mike?
Good.
Yeah, it's got a 283 full barrel, Fender well headers, Muncie 4-speed, 355 potty, traction bars. It's got line lock, all brand new glass in it, complete brand new interior.
Brakes done, painless wiring system.
Brakes.
Electronic ignition? Electronic ignition? No.
Old school.
Old school, baby. Looks like you got brand new tires on the back. Very nice patina on it.
Batteries mounted in the back. Got
oh, that's cool.
Brand new painless wiring harness in it.
Okay.
Fuel tank. Fuel line all the way up. It's got 3/8 fuel line all the way up. All the brake lines.
Man, that's cool. Hop in and just run it, man.
Yeah, the way they did it in the old days.
Definitely not going to kill the budget either. Runs nice, huh? MSD Coil. What's that, a 650 on there?
I don't know the exact. Edelbrock. Probably around 600.
Interior's all new. Brand new carpet, headliner, seats. These look like they're out of a 68 Chevelle, the seats. All new door panels, stainless hardware, handles.
New headliner and everything.
Yep, headliner's all brand new. Full gauge pack here. Rubber on the pedals is also brand new. Seat belts up front. Man, she's healthy, huh? It's like a horn cap where the clock used to be. Very cool, man. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks again, Mike, for showing us your car. I said thanks again for showing us your car.